warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern Madison, northeastern Hancock, southwestern Randolph, Delaware, and Henry counties. At 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Anderson to 7 miles east of Greenfield, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for southeast Madison, northwest Henry, and southern Delaware counties. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Summit Lake State Park, Greensboro, Ingalls, Cadiz, Newcastle, Ball State University, Selma, Muncie, River Forest, Sulphur Springs, Daleville, Kennard, Chile, Merlin, Albany, Edgewood, Pendleton, Springport, Wilkinson, and Anderson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 216 and 241. Interstate 70 between mile markers 103 and 113, and between mile markers 115 and 116. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hancock, Henry, Madison, and Randolph. The severe